Okay, so we're gonna go over an outside leg throw. This is called O-Soto in judo. There's lots of versions of O-Soto. O-Soto-Gari, O-Soto-Otoshi, O-Soto-Guruma. This one's technically O-Soto-Guruma. That means major outside wheel. That's the way it's translated. So let's just say outside leg throw, and I'm taking both his legs away. Okay, so, but it's a little different in how I'm taking one of the legs away, right? So typically in O-Soto-Guruma, it's something like this. He takes both legs away and you target the far leg. So we'll teach sometimes in self-defense, like give me a front kick real quick and just kind of hold it there. Passing this, and we'll pass it and kind of come in here and boom. You have it right there. Okay, this we're gonna do from an over-under clinch here. And I'm gonna drive to the back corner. When I do that, that lessens his underhook because, you know, I wanna be able to do things like raise with my underhook and get to the side. Okay, so I want to off balance him, not back to the back corner. So think about if we drew an X through where Michael was standing, like where his spine's at, like from diagonal, you know, back to front. I want to take him to this back corner, right? So right now he's sort of in the middle. As I do that, I'm going to pick his leg up. Okay? Anytime I don't kick back with my leg, it's called an Otoshi in judo. That means drop. I don't just hang out here. What I want to do is step to the side when I get this leg and come around. And look, I'm not even going to have to do anything. See this hand that was the underhook? Right? Watch what happens when he goes down. Boom. So I get a really good control where I can go knee on belly, see what he gives me. Right as soon as I got the knee on belly, he gave me a gift wrap opportunity. Okay? Now, I'm here on my knees, but really good idea here, if I abandon and go to side mount, to drive with your live toes is pretty brutal. Okay, so when we get this clinch, I'm driving to the side, I pick that leg up and I step around. Here. Okay, so look, I can hold gift wrap from knee on belly too. If there's striking involved, great. Okay, so that's just kind of an option there. I can hold that or I can abandon, right? So little outside leg throw. It's interesting to me also because a lot of times when you pick up a single and you're on the inside of their legs, people think that that's an inopportune situation. Or the thing I commonly see is people stepping through the bat. I like that one. I've landed it in 2 different tournament matches in the colored belts, right? O-Soto-Gari, inside trip, I like it, but this one just gives more purpose to that inside single situation. So, good little throw for you to be working on.